Before anything else, guys, bago yung reaction ko, let's watch this first.
So at the Coke store, you can personalize a message. You can put Allah loves you. Or you could even put, let me see. Let's just try it out. Buddha loves you. But you cannot even type in the word Jesus. We cannot allow this text on the can. Everything else is good though. Even if I put, let's see, Satan.
Oh no, bro.
Hold on. Satan loves you. You could put that. You could put Satan loves you, Allah loves you, Buddha loves you. But when you type in this word, you can't even type the word in. That's crazy. That's ridiculous.
Test namin, guys, kung totoo ba yung ayaw.
Okay naman.
Okay, enter. Next. Hala, totoo nga. Try mo, ala first.
Pwede. So, ano lang natin, nga.
Kaya nga i-try yung ibang... Di ba ganun yung nasa video?
Meron nga. Tara na.
Tapos anong gagawin?
Mo, Tara na.
Dings na dings.
Bibili ba tayo? Pwede nga.
O diba? Mismo kami nag-try. Tinry namin si Buddha at yung name ko, then kay Jesus. It's weird. Bakit of all the names? I mean, so ibig sabihin, hindi ako galit hindi rin ako disappointed kasi alam ko na tong mga ganitong sitwasyon. And deep inside, I'm actually confident na parang there's something in the name of Jesus talaga na nasi-shaken yung enemy. And ayoko namang mag-judge sa Coke. Baka sabihin ng iba, masyadong overthinker bell tayo. But let it be kung ayaw ng Coke na ilagay si Jesus sa can. Pero hope sana masagot nila to. Kasi favorite ko ang Coke I'm a Coke drinker. Pero hindi naman ako katulad ni Tatay Digong na kahalos kada lagi na lang kumain Coke, diba? Kaya, kayo guys, kung may machine kayo, may ganitong device kayo dyan sa lugar nyo, just try it. And let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Para usap tayo, di ba? Okay, that's it for now. And thanks for watching. Wala lang, share ko lang. Take care.